Welcome to Christ College Ripoy. Established in 2022 by the Carmelite Sisters of St. Teresa, we offer a 4-year undergraduate program in subjects like economics, education, English, geography, history, khasi, political science, and sociology. Boost your learning with VAC, SEC, MDC, and AEC courses, or gain practical skills through vocational training in tailoring, embroidery, and mushroom cultivation. At Christ College, learning is joyful, holistic, and life-shaping. Admissions open now. Visit our website or contact the college office to know more. Christ College, where dreams take flight.
Kidukot jangki sport social but cultural club kibana sanmer saumer shiteng mauklot but umlingka haka khat sautrik jemmang kilekinthi daga jinkmen haba Myntri Rangbah ukonrat ki sangma daladihi ulawan sami Tiar le akai cricket ha sanmer apa Shillong. Myntri Rangbah ulale kini kekam daga jingtmu ban kentiu bat ban penchluri ki Samla ban tur syakani kejingile akai bapaunam jongkeri India bat jong kaperthai hibro kawai. Uba Daniel thank you political secretary jong Myntri Rangbah ha kajingkren kublai sngongo ula pertu ya kajing sebun bat jing yu i jingai jong Myntri Rangbah ban yarap ik Samla Shnong ban kiu ha kajingile akai cricket. Na kabenta ka Shnong sanmer Myntri Rangbah ula kular ban yarap na kabenta ka tinghong PE system yaki sports club bat bante yaki ying dorbar Shnong. Kirangba nong elam Shnong na kani kathan kila pedyang buram yu Myntri Rangbah ha kani kasngi ubalawan jingo ya ka Shnong jongki.